POV of an assistant director in the First Love Beanie music video. So, syempre, hindi natin paglalagpasin. Ako din, aawara muna. O, hindi pa tumugba ang lyrics niya, girl. Okay na yan. Give na natin sa kanya yan. Oh, feel na eh. So, first, we did already a couple of shots in the morning. And then, ito lang yung time na nakapag-video na ako kasi medyo less stress na. In the morning kasi very rushed. Alam niyo naman yan. By around 1 p.m., we were already done shooting the frames of the family, the boys, Trina and Klang.
3, 2, 1, action!
At syempre, hindi ko paglalagpasin na aura din kami. Yes. This is such a full circle moment for me because back in UST, I was their talent coordinator during Paskuhan 2023. Thank you so much, Arcade. And of course, congratulations to Team Jason Max. Bye.
Challenge, girls. Ito ang unang challenge. What? Oh my God! Babae, Mika. Yan. Turo